Congratulations on receiving your new ILA translation device. This quick setup guide will have you up and running in just a few minutes. Let's walk through the essential steps to get your device ready for translation sessions. First, let's power on your ILA device. You'll notice you have two tablets that work together as a complete system. On the right-hand side of each tablet, you'll find a small power button. Press and hold this button until you see the screen activate. You need to power on both tablets separately. Each tablet operates independently, so make sure to turn on both the host and guest sides. You'll also notice two other buttons on the side. These control the volume. We'll focus on the power button for setup. Next, we need to connect both tablets to your Wi-Fi network. This step is crucial for translation functionality. On each tablet, look for the gear icon and tap it to access settings. Navigate to Wi-Fi, then select your Wi-Fi network from the available options. Enter your network credentials when prompted. Remember, both tablets need to be connected to Wi-Fi separately. Repeat this process for the second tablet to ensure both are connected to your network. Once both tablets are connected to Wi-Fi, you'll see a blue screen with the ILA icon. Tap this icon on both tablets to launch the application. This opens the Translate Live interface on both devices. You'll immediately notice that the two tablets display different screens. This is by design. Each serves a specific purpose in your translation setup. The host side, which faces you during conversations, displays 4 different room options. One-on-one room, perfect for individual conversations and personal interactions. Broadcast room, designed for presentations, meetings, or events where multiple people can join your session simultaneously. Single user room. This brings both the guest and host interface to one screen for situations where you're working alone. Live interpreter room, for when you're using a live interpreter service or have purchased access to one of our professional interpreters. The guest side, which faces your visitor, displays language selection options. This is where your guests choose their preferred language for the conversation. Translate Live supports over 95% of languages spoken in the United States, with both speech-to-text and text-to-speech capabilities. Important note, while we support an extensive range of languages, some newer or less common languages may have limited AI model support. This means certain languages might only support text-to-speech or speech-to-text, but not both features. A very select few might not support either option, and those languages will either need a live translator or you will need to utilize the keyboard to type your conversation. Let's quickly verify your setup is complete. Both tablets are powered on, both tablets are connected to Wi-Fi, the ILA application is running on both devices, host side shows room options, guest side shows language selection. Congratulations! Your ILA device is now set up and ready for translation sessions. We recommend exploring our additional training videos to learn about how to conduct one-on-one translation sessions, setting up broadcast mode for group events, best practices for clear communication, troubleshooting common issues. If you encounter any setup issues, please refer to your training material or contact our support team. Welcome to seamless multilingual communication with your new ILA device.